Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance Luggage Airplane Flying Emirates in 2025. Here's what you must know about baggage rules. Emirates Airlines, renowned for its luxurious service and extensive global network, maintains a comprehensive baggage policy designed to accommodate travelers' needs while ensuring safety and operational efficiency. Here are 10 key points outlining Emirates' baggage policy, covering carry-on and checked luggage allowances, restrictions, fees, and special considerations. This guide is based on the latest available information as of April 2025, ensuring clarity for passengers planning their journeys. 1. Two-tiered baggage system. Weight and piece concepts. Emirates employs a dual baggage allowance system depending on the route. The weight concept applies to most routes, except flights to, from the Americas and Africa, allowing passengers to check multiple bags as long as the total weight does not exceed the class-specific limit, e.g., 20 to 35 kilograms for economy, 40 kilograms for business, 50 kilograms for first class. The piece concept applies to flights to, from the Americas and Africa, limiting passengers to a specific number of bags, e.g., 2 pieces up to 23 kilograms each in economy. Each bag must not exceed 32 kilograms or 118 inches, 300 centimeters, in total dimensions, length plus width plus height. Items exceeding these limits must be shipped as cargo. 2. Carry-on baggage allowance. Economy class passengers are permitted one carry-on bag, e.g., handbag or laptop bag, not exceeding 55 by 38 by 20 centimeters, 22 by 15 by 8 inches, and 7 kilograms, 15 pounds. Premium economy allows one bag up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, with slightly larger dimensions, 55 by 38 by 22 centimeters. Business and first-class passengers can bring 2 pieces, one briefcase, 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters, and either a handbag, 55 by 38 by 20 centimeters, or a garment bag, 20 centimeters thick when folded, each weighing up to 7 kilograms. Passengers departing from Brazil can carry up to 10 kilograms in all classes, while those from India are limited to 115 centimeters total dimensions. 3. Infant baggage allowance. Passengers traveling with infants, under 2 years, receive additional allowances. On weight concept routes, infants are allowed one checked bag up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, and one carry-on bag, 55 by 38 by 20 centimeters, 5 kilogram, for essentials. A collapsible stroller or carry cot can be brought on board if space permits, otherwise, it is checked free of charge. On piece concept routes, Americas, Africa, infants receive one carry-on bag, 5 kilogram, but no additional checked baggage. Emirates provides complimentary strollers at airports for families. 4. Excess baggage fee. Exceeding the baggage allowance incurs fees, which vary by route and purchase method. Under the weight concept, additional weight can be purchased in 5 kilograms increments, up to 50 kilogram, with discounts of 50 to 60% if bought online at least 4 hours before departure. For example, an extra 5 kilograms from London to India costs $7.50 online versus $15 at the airport. For piece concept routes, additional bags, up to 10 total, cost $200 per piece if purchased online, 50% discount for the first extra bag. Overweight, 23 to 32 kilograms, or oversized bags, 59 to 118 inches, on these routes incur fees from $75 to $400. 5. Emirates Skywards member benefit. Emirates Skywards members, silver, gold, platinum, enjoy extra baggage allowances. On weight concept routes, silver members receive an additional 10 kilograms, while gold and platinum get 20 kilogram. On piece concept routes, platinum and gold members can check one extra piece, 23 kilogram in economy, 32 kilograms in business, first class. These perks enhance flexibility for frequent flyers, but the maximum checked bags per passenger is capped at 3 on piece concept routes. 6. Prohibited and restricted items. For safety, Emirates prohibits items like firearms, explosives, flammable materials, matches, and lighters in both carry-on and checked luggage. Sharp objects, e.g., scissors, knitting needles, and personal motorized vehicles, e.g., hoverboards, are also banned. Liquids in carry-ons must follow the SOS 311 rule. Containers up to 100 milliliters in a single, transparent, resealable 1-liter bag. The UAE has strict drug policies, so passengers must carry a doctor's note for medications. Check Emirates Dangerous Goods page for a full list. 7. Special items. Sports equipment and musical instruments. Sports equipment, e.g., golf clubs, bicycles, and musical instruments are treated as standard checked baggage if within size and weight limits, up to 118 inches, 32 kilogram. Oversized items, up to 300 centimeters, may incur handling fees, and anything larger must be shipped via Emirates Sky Cargo. Musical instruments can be carried in the cabin if they fit carry-on dimensions or if a seat is purchased. Passengers should contact Emirates in advance for special packaging or handling requirements. 8. Pet travel policy. Pets are not allowed in the cabin, except for guide dogs. Animals can be transported as checked baggage or cargo in approved carriers, with fees starting at $800 depending on size and route. Carriers must not exceed 118 inches, and animals over 32 kilograms require cargo arrangements. Passengers must confirm procedures with Emirates in advance to avoid delays or additional costs. 9. Smart bags and mobility aids. Smart bags with removable batteries can be checked, but the battery must be carried in the cabin. Non-removable battery smart bags are prohibited. Passengers using wheelchairs can check a fully collapsible one free of charge, in addition to their standard allowance. CPAP PAP devices are permitted on board and do not count toward carry-on limits, provided they meet size and weight restrictions. 10. Tips to avoid fees and hassles. To optimize your experience, weigh luggage beforehand using a portable scale and use Emirates online baggage calculator to confirm allowances. Prepay excess baggage online for discounts, and ensure bags meet size and weight limits to avoid airport surcharges. Place contact info inside and outside luggage, and photograph contents for lost, damaged claims. For multi-carrier itineraries, check interline partner policies, as they may differ from Emirates rules. Consider luggage shipping services like Stasher or Eurosender for cost-effective alternatives to excess fees. Emirates baggage policy is generous but complex, varying by route, class, and membership status. By understanding these 10 points, passengers can pack efficiently, avoid unexpected fees, and enjoy a seamless travel experience. Always check specific allowances via Emirates, manage your booking tool or contact their support for tailored advice. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.